Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping back into Rollercoin. There's only just over a week left in season 6, so we're going to be checking out how our account is doing and how far we've progressed, so keep watching. Hey guys, RJ here and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my Rollercoin account, and like I say, there is only just over a week left in season 6, 10 days to be precise, but that is obviously not a lot of time left to get things done and to try and basically get as many rewards out of this season as possible. So before we get into the main part of the video, let's do a quick rundown on the numbers. So 2 weeks ago was the last time we were in here. So 2 weeks ago, our bonus power was at 217.37%. You can see now we are at 219.17. So that is a gain of nearly 2%. Now, funnily enough, recently I've been getting a few emails in response to when I do this run through the numbers, and particularly the bonus power. Now, I keep getting a lot of people saying, you know, talking about when I'm saying, right, wow, you know, that's an increase of 2%, or that's an increase of 1% and stuff like that. And you know, and the fact that it doesn't sound a lot, but the thing is, though, collectively is basically what we're looking at, is what it's worth collectively, and basically these bonuses are extremely important to your account. That is why when on our Discord I get a lot of questions about what is the best miner to buy, you know, if you've got a lower account and you want to buy a miner, or you're looking to buy miners or whatever, what are the best ones? And I always state, try and buy the older miners, because those miners already come with bonus power. Whereas if you buy the new miners, they come with no bonus power, but if you upgrade them or merge them, then you can gain bonus power that way. But like I say, the older ones you can buy straight away, and they will come with, you know, some come as high as 5% bonus, some come as high as 10% bonus, like the pizza, the pepperoni, that comes with something like a 10% bonus power on that. So, and like I say, this bonus is very important. I'll show you why. Even only 1 or 2% make a massive difference, because that percentage goes on your total power. If we use this drop down, you can see my total power is 105.286 petashes, but my bonus power is 72, nearly 73 petahashes. So that is a massive amount of power you are gaining from those bonuses. So like I say, if you're going to buy miners, buy the older ones that already have that bonus power attached. So going back to the total power, 2 weeks ago, we were at 103.677 petahashes. You can see now we're at 105. So that is a gain again of nearly 2 petahashes in 2 weeks. So, you know, 2% on your bonus and 2 petahashes on your total power. For me, that is a really good gain in what I class as quite a short period of time. So basically, as I was talking about, is we only have 10 days left on the season 6. If we dive in here, I'm at 201. So I try and always get it down to about 200. I did say, because I ended up buying a couple of levels, I would try and get it down to 160, which I still am looking to try and drop a few more levels, but with 10 days, only 10 days left, obviously, you know, we're getting close to that deadline. So one of the things I'm looking at is basically raising that 200 RLT. If we look here, you can see I have 109 RLT, 700 RST, but if we go back to here, you'll see my reward now is SAT rather than RST, and I am showing Bitcoin up here. The reason for that is basically I have changed my power from mining RST at 70% to basically mining, you would have seen it in a second ago here, we are mining BTC with the idea I've basically got my power split at 80% Bitcoin, 20% RLT. The reason for that is to basically raise the amount of Bitcoin I have to then exchange that into RLT so I can get that premium upgrade pass to basically claim the rest of the items in season 6, because you know by the time we get to the required amount to exchange for the RLT, I probably would have hopefully passed a couple more levels, so that would have brought it below that 200 RLT, and then obviously we'll purchase that it's basically as close to the deadline as possible to try and get that price down as low as possible. But at the end of the day, you know, I'm only at a level 19 from doing the usual stuff. I'm only at level 19 here on our way to level 20. So obviously out of what do we get? We get it's something like, is it 30 or 40 levels now? 30 levels. So we're sort of over 50%, but there's no way we're going to make it to the end just doing everything as normal. So like I say, aiming for as low as possible on that total price to get the premium pass. And then that is it. Then we're going to buy that and then get all of the rewards. And obviously you're going to get a big boost to your account. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a deep dive tutorial on Rollercoin. That's going to give you a lot more details and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running. But if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Now, another thing that has changed on the website is obviously the introduction of yet another mini event. We've got the Indonesian Wild Holidays. Now, these mini events work exactly the same as each one. So basically, if you exchange RLT, you will get a boost on your basically you get 1 times rewards, obviously, as I showed there. If you exchange RLT, I believe for every 5 RLT or every 5, how can I put it? So every 5 RLT you gain from exchanging with another coin, you will go up 1 level. So if I exchange BTC and gain for 5 RLT, I will go to 2 times or level 2, and then you can go as high as 10 times or times 10. You can go as high as that, and then obviously you will get that amount of increase on your reward. So for instance, currently the reward for leveling up playing games is 500 points. If you get to 10 times, that's going to boost you up to 5,000 points for every level you move up playing games. And obviously, you know, other stuff that you'll do, you're going to get 10 times the amount if you go up that high. So I wasn't really bothered about doing this, but obviously through playing games, and also I've done a couple of merges which you guys are going to be really interested in. basically we've actually moved up. I'd say the only thing I don't like about these mini events is because with the full season, you get a rundown of the rewards you're getting. So you can see the list of rewards that you're getting and your progression through that list of rewards. They don't do that with the mini events, or at least I can't see where that is. But I think that would be a good addition, because then you can see your progress to where you're at, to the final, to this final minor, like you can with the season pass. Like with this, you can see where you are. So, we can go back to level 19, and I know that my next reward would be actually we're at 18 on our way to level 19, is it? Yeah, so our next reward would be that, and then obviously with that, not far from the next minor and stuff like that. And like I said, if they did something like that for the mini event as well, obviously it's a lot of work for them, so that's probably why they don't do it. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, but I just think that would be a nice addition as well. So like I say, you just know how you're progressing through that mini event. But like I say, it works exactly the same as the other mini events. But obviously, like I said, we have built up around about 2 petashes in the last 2 weeks, and a lot of that has come from merging. So one of the merges I've done, in fact 2 merges I've done, if we go here, is in the last video we had 2 corn popper miners that we'd upgraded to the uncommon. Well, I basically managed to then upgrade those to the next level, which is, I think, is that rare? I think that's rare, isn't it? So we've got, so basically this is now, pain in the butt. I always forget about the ad blocker. So if we click on this, click on that, and we go info. So that is now giving us 776,160 gigahashes, which is very nice. Very, very nice indeed. So that is essentially the merging of 2 uncommon corn poppers to make a rare, I believe that is. And then the other day, I'd actually raised another 10,000 RST. So I went back into the season pass rewards store, purchased another 2 corn popper miners, and then merged them into an uncommon, and that gives us a 323. If you remember in the last video I talked about what was the best action once you got up to 10,000. Obviously, if you go into the season store, you can for 10,000 get the merry-go-round, but if you get 2 corn poppers, yes, initially they only give you 280, which is 20 terahashes or whatever it is, so 20 terahashes less than this. But if you then merge those into an uncommon, it ends up giving you 23 more terahashes or gigahashes than this. So that is actually a gain of 43 gigahashes or terahashes. So that is why we do that, because you're getting 2 here, and then once you've built up the spare parts to merge them, that's a gain of 43, and then an increase of 23 compared to the merry-go-round. So that is why we did it that way, and for me that just makes a lot more sense. Yes, you've got that slight extra outlay of RLT for parts if you buy them direct from the market, or if you are patient, you will get them through the common parts box, which you have to do anyway as a task, and then you get a refund on that of 50 RST anyway. So for me, that is a real win-win, because you're gaining more power, you are completing tasks, And then when you complete that task, you also get a refund on doing that task. So for me, that is just a win all ways round. And that is basically how our account has ended up where it's at. So that's really it. I mean, we've got 15 minutes. I think that's pretty quick for me. I'm going to leave that there, but if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can please smash that like button. It really supports my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.